How was your nap?
That was very good. Thank you for the break. I really needed it.
Well, while you were asleep, I finished the rest.
Oh my gosh. What did you do?
I was using our math skills we learned in trigonometry class to figure out, like you did before, some of the other angles here. Like Wellington wasn't even any challenge at all. Pretty basic co-function identity. Sine pi over 2 minus x, that's equal to cosine. You just use your inverse, and you're going to get 0.214 pi as your angle. Lima, that was a joke. Cosine, sum two angles, right here. Your cosines and your sines. It's the opposite, so I added them together under there, and I got theta as 1.564 pi as my angle here.
Very cool.
Place in Russia that I can't pronounce. Just going over the work here. I use my basic odd even for sine here, the identity.
That was simple.
And yeah, it took like 3 seconds to figure it out. San Salvador, was a little bit more tricky. It was actually a tan sum of two angles, because it kind of resembled that, so I multiplied it out, and it definitely came out in that form. So just using the theta inside here, I found that the theta angle here is going to be 1.428 pi. Vancouver, that wasn't too bad either. It was a Pythagorean identity. We got sine x times sine x squared plus cosine x squared. Well, we know that's equal to 1, so it was like, use the inverse now, and we got 1.12 pi. And then Anchorage, that was a little bit more tough, but I was able to figure that out. We did basic Pythagorean identity again. We had secant squared x minus 1. Well, if you just put that into your identity, you know that it's going to be equal to tan x. And since it said quadrant 2 over here, I knew that when I did the square root here, one of these answers had to be in quadrant 2, and I ended up figuring out that it was going to be 0.9755, and that's what we did in quadrant 2. And another neat thing I figured out was that the North Meridian here, using the North Meridian and plotting the points of all the cities. These are just a few of the ones I did, and if we go and take some of yours, I think they're around here, 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 and here. They're all going to go to a central point. So what we need to do is find a map, get our angles with our cities, and use like a protractor and just graph. And I really think they're going to emanate from the central point, which is going to be our missing island.
Okay, so we have to get going on that so we can get to that island.
Definitely.
All right.
All right.
Is it gone?
Yep.
All right.
Admiral Voyager?
Wanted to see me?
Yes, sir. I think we might have found the island.
Already?
Yeah, you know all those natural disasters that have been occurring around the Ring of Fire?
Yeah, causing the Coast Guard a lot of chaos.
Yeah, well, we think we actually located a lot of these points on a map, which we have right here. We plotted them all out. Take a look.
See what you got.
The encoded messages provide us with some equations, and using some trig functions, and using the north line here as the point of origin, the island here is a little bit south of Hawaii.
I see. Good work, kids. You've done your country well. We have some covert clothing we want you two to wear, and when you land on the island, I'll send it down, and I'll bring this map up to the first mate. Be there in no time.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Hector, I'm scared. The guy on the island, he's probably dangerous. Are we gonna be okay?
I don't know, but I'm going to make sure you're safe no matter what.
Thanks, hon.
Hello? What? How could they find my island? Are you sure they're coming? How accurate are your radars? Well, is the labyrinth completed? What do you mean, tree maze? I wanted a labyrinth! That's fine. They will never find my hideout. Oh, hold on a second, I have a beep. Hello? Mother, I'm busy. Today is Mother's Day. Curses. Of course I sent you a present. I sent you a large diamond. Perhaps the mail service lost it. Mother, I have to go. I'll call you later. Hello? So keep a close eye on those vermin when they arrive. Inform me of their every move. Oh, and send a large diamond to my mother. I forgot it was Mother's Day. Yes, goodbye. More delays, Bucky. More delays. But do not fear. I'll deal with these children. I will kill them. Killing them will be good practice before I destroy the world's governing bodies. This will be simply child's play.
Admiral, you wanted to see us again?
Yeah, hey, thanks for coming down. We're gonna drop you off at the island in about 10 minutes. We got your outfits.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And your GPS encrypted glasses. Some firearms.
Excellent.
A compass. And, of course, a calculator.
Stop
Compass,
it.
too. So, thank you very much for locating the island. It's very helpful of you guys.
Thank you very much,
And
Admiral.
we'll pick you up when you guys get back to the beach. Alright?
All right.
Let's
Thanks,
get
sir.
ready.
So they have arrived then. Excellent. So it has begun, my Bucky. Only mere hours separate me from world domination.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. This place is really creepy though. Why is it all black and white?
I have no idea.
These trees are so weird.
Hey, what's that over there?
Oh wow.
It looks like a trig problem.
Solve for that angle X. See what that comes out to be.
Well, I can definitely use the law of cosines here because I have 3 sides in a non-given angle. So I can do 25 equals 9 plus 49 minus 2 times 3 times 7 equals cosine of x. Quick, put that into the calculator and tell me what you get. So we want x.
Angle X comes out to be 38.2 degrees.
Well, from this point, here, I think we should keep the marker.
Okay.
.2 degrees bearing. It's that way.
Alright, let's walk that way then.
All right, let's go.